AI influencers are making tens of thousands a month, and most of them don't even exist. I just built one in 12 minutes, posted it, and the platform paid me directly. No audience required. Let me show you how to do this before everyone catches on. I'm on Higgsfield.ai, and they just launched 2 products that completely change the AI content game. AI Influencer Studio lets you design fully custom characters with control over everything. Human, alien, creature, hybrid, anything. And Higgsfield Earn pays you directly for uploading these AI influencer videos. No sponsors needed, just create and get paid. Today, I'm walking you through the complete process. Building a character from scratch, bringing it to life with motion, generating the video, and publishing to Higgsfield Earn to start earning. I'll show you every option, every setting, and the exact workflow. Let's go. Step 1. Creating your character in AI Influencer Studio. I'm clicking on AI Influencer at the top navigation. Then AI Influencer Studio. This opens the character builder. On the left sidebar, I can see pre-built influencers like Briar, Skylar, Jupiter, and Paris. These are ready-to-use characters that you can customize. But I'm clicking Create New to build from absolute scratch. On the right side, I see 2 tabs, Builder and Prompt. Builder gives you visual controls. Prompter lets you type a description. I'm starting with Builder because it gives you way more control. First option is character type. This is where it gets interesting. You're not limited to humans. The options are human, ant, bee, octopus, crocodile, iguana, lizard, alien, beetle, reptile, amphibian, elf, and mantis. You can literally create non-human influencers. Imagine a fashion influencer that's part reptile, or a tech reviewer that's an alien. The internet has never seen this level of creative freedom. For this demo, I'm selecting human because I want to show you a realistic influencer first. But we'll talk about hybrid characters in a minute. Next is gender. I'm selecting female, now ethnicity. I'm choosing mix to create a unique look. Skin color has a full color picker. You can dial in any skin tone from very light to very deep with infinite variations. I'm selecting a warm medium tone. You can even create characters with supernatural eye colors like purple or red. I'm going with deep brown for a natural look. Skin conditions. This is powerful for creating realistic, authentic characters. I'm adding freckles for character. Age options are adult, mature, and senior. I'm selecting adult for a younger influencer vibe. Now we get into advanced settings. This is where you have insane control. There are 3 tabs: face, body, and style. Under face, eyes type: human, reptile, or mechanical. This is for hybrid characters. If you want a cyberpunk influencer with mechanical eyes, you can do that. I'm sticking with human. Eyes details. Different eye colors: blind eye, scarred eye, glowing eye. You can create a character with heterochromia or glowing cybernetic eyes. I'm leaving this at default. Mouth and teeth. If you're building a creature influencer, sharp teeth and forked tongue make it look alien. For my human character, I'm leaving this normal. Ears. Human, elf, no ears, or wing ears. Elf ears would be perfect for a fantasy gaming influencer. I'm going with human. Face skin material. Human skin, scales, fur, amphibian skin, fish skin, or metallic. This is insane. You can make an influencer with scales or metallic skin. Imagine a beauty influencer with iridescent scales reviewing makeup. That would go viral instantly. I'm choosing human skin. Surface pattern. Solid, stripes, spots, chest pattern, veins visible, or GIF pattern. You can add patterns to the skin. A fitness influencer with tiger stripes, that's a brand. I'm going solid. Now I'm switching to the body tab in advanced settings. Body type options are slim, lean, athletic, muscular, curvy, heavy, and skinny. I'm selecting athletic. Left arm options: normal arm, cute arm, robotic arm, prosthetic arm, mechanical arm, or none. You can create characters with prosthetics or robotic limbs. This is representation, and it's also cyberpunk aesthetic. I'm going normal arm. Right arm has the same options. Left leg and right leg have identical options. I'm keeping both normal. Now the Style tab. Hair or head growth. Tentacles as hair. That's a character. Spines for a punk rocker influencer. I'm selecting long hair. You can make your influencer look photorealistic or completely stylized. Anime influencers are blowing up on TikTok right now. I'm going hyper-realistic for this demo. Once I've set all my parameters, I click Generate Influencer at the bottom. The system processes everything and creates my character. This takes about 30 seconds. Alright, my character is generated. She looks consistent, realistic, and has a clear identity. If something's off, I can go back and tweak individual parameters without regenerating everything. Now let's bring her to life. Step 2. Making it move. I'm clicking on the video camera icon below my character preview. This opens a modal called Select Template. Now look at all these template options. Each template controls how your character moves and how the camera follows them. ASMR gives you that close-up intimate vibe. Podcast looks like they're talking into a mic. Car talking makes it look like they're filming from a vehicle. This is pre-programmed camera work and body language. I'm selecting selfie because it feels authentic for influencer content. It highlights with a yellow border when selected. At the bottom, I see modal dropdown showing Google VO3 fast. You can also select regular Google VO3 if you want. Quality dropdown shows 720p. You can upgrade to 1080p for higher resolution. I'm sticking with 720p to save credits. Then I click the next button. This takes me to the UGC factory interface. On the left sidebar, I see 6 tabs: template, image, action, audio text, audio settings, and background. Each tab controls a different part of your video. The template tab shows my selfie template is locked in. I can change it if I want, but I'm good. Image tab is for product placement. It says upload your avatar plus an optional product for placement in the image. You have 2 options. Upload avatar on the left. Upload product on the right, marked optional. My character is already loaded, so I'm skipping this unless I want to add a product in their hand. Action tab is where you describe the action. It says add extra details to guide your character's behavior. The text field has a placeholder. Add an action or gesture like smiling or pointing at screen. I'm typing in, looking directly at camera with warm smile, subtle hand gestures, natural head movement. This gives the AI specific instructions for body language. Audio text tab is where you write the script. It says add the words your character will say. The placeholder says type your character's speech here, like hey there. I'm typing, hey everyone, today I'm sharing my top 3 productivity hacks that changed everything for me. Let's dive in. Keep this short and conversational for the best lip sync. Audio settings tab is critical. This controls how your character sounds. First section is voice type. Choose the voice that fits your character. Next section is emotion. Choose how your character sounds and feels. Language drop-down is set to auto. It detects English automatically. You can manually select other languages if you're creating multilingual content. Background tab is optional but powerful. It says add background sound. Enhance the mood with background sound effects. I'm typing soft ambient room tone, subtle coffee shop atmosphere. This adds environmental realism. You can leave this blank if you want clean audio. Now at the bottom of the screen, I see the final settings. Model shows Google VO3 fast. Quality shows 720p. And the generate button shows the credit cost. The system starts processing. This usually takes 30 to 90 seconds depending on the model and length. While that renders, here's a pro tip. Your script quality determines lip sync quality. Keep sentences short. Avoid complex words that are hard to pronounce. The more natural it sounds when you read it out loud, the better the AI will perform. Alright, my video is ready. I'm clicking to preview it. The lip sync is clean. The facial expressions match the happy emotion I selected. The hand gestures from my action description are there. The movement feels natural and authentic. This legitimately looks like a real person filming a selfie-style video. If something feels off, I can go back to any tab and adjust. Change the emotion to excited for more energy. Switch the voice type to low and strong for a different vibe. rewrite the action for different body language. The system is fully iterative. But this looks perfect, so I'm downloading. The video exports in MP4 format at 720p. Ready to post on any platform? Now here's where it gets different from every other platform. Higgsfield built monetization directly into the system. This opens the Higgsfield Earn platform. The page explains how it works. Step 1. Log in and connect your social accounts, YouTube and Instagram. Step 2. Post your AI influencer video on those platforms. Step 3. Submit the link to your Higgsfield Earn dashboard. Step 4. Get paid based on performance. You earn rewards based on views and engagement. The more your content performs, the more you make. Payouts are processed within 2 business days. You don't need a massive audience. You just need to create consistent content and let the platform track it. The entire process takes 10 to 15 minutes once you understand the system. You can create multiple characters, multiple content styles, multiple income streams, all from one platform. If you want detailed character templates, proven script frameworks, niche strategies, and monetization blueprints, everything is in my free school community. Join the community, create your first AI influencer, post it in the group, and I'll give you personalized feedback. Link is in the description. This is the beginning of the AI influencer wave. Early creators are building audiences and earning right now, while this is still new. A year from now, this space will be saturated. 6 months from now, it'll be competitive. Right now, it's wide open. If you've been waiting for a clear opportunity in AI, this is it. Go create your AI influencer and start earning.